This is a custom Hyperblade with the version 2 LED driver and a SaberSD sound card. And I have the Jedi template sounds off the Hyperblade CD that I want to demonstrate for you. And the cool thing about this font is that there's lots of different sounds for each event. There's a couple different sounds for the retraction, a bunch of different sounds for the ignition, and like 16 different clash sounds, and they all happen randomly. So you even get, a different ignition, different retraction, which some people might like.
This feeling, celebration tonight. Celebrate, don't wait too late. No, we don't stop. You can't stop. We're gonna celebrate one more time. One more time. One more time. Celebration. You know we're gonna do it right tonight. Hey, feeling. Music's got me feeling me. Yeah, come on. Alright, we're gonna celebrate one more time. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate and dance so free.